Welcome to our How to Pass AP English Language channel, where we're committed to ensuring your success in the AP English Language exam. In this episode, we're delving into a crucial aspect that can significantly boost your score: mastering the art of essay organization. A logically structured essay is not just about presenting a clear argument, but it also persuades your reader through clarity and precision. Remember, your essay structure serves as the foundation supporting your content. It assists the reader in seamlessly navigating your thoughts and debate points. It's critical for AP English language students to excel in this skill, as it directly impacts your ability to effectively communicate your ideas. Regard your essay as a journey you're navigating reader through. Without a clear roadmap, structure, it's easy for them to lose their way and miss your points. So, with the right essay organization, you'll guide with clarity and purpose. Think of your essay as a journey you're guiding your reader through. Without a clear map, structure, it's easy to get lost. Your essay's introduction is your stepping stone. This is the space where you catch your reader's interest, present your thesis statement, and lay out your major arguments. Crucial is a solid thesis statement. It's your argument's pillar and charts your essay's trajectory. It's not only about captivating attention, it's about forging a transparent path ahead. Ensure your introduction is captivating and provides a clear idea of the forthcoming discourse. This isn't just about grabbing attention, it's about setting a clear path forward. Each body paragraph within an essay should focus on a single primary assertion that is directly linked to your thesis statement. This particular section forms the backbone of your argument and meticulous attention. The first sentence of each body paragraph, commonly known as the topic sentence, a crucial role in outlining the main idea of the paragraph, while simultaneously linking back to your thesis, and should be crafted with care. Once you have a topic sentence in place, you should start gathering evidence that would support your claims and highlight your argument. This can take several forms. It could be a quote from a pertinent source, data or analytics that corroborate your argument, or examples that illustrate your point. Ensuring a diversity of evidence is likely to make your argument more robust, and by extension, more convincing. Moreover, this panoply of evidence is also a reflection of your analytical proficiency. The ability to dissect, interpret, and integrate information is a much coveted skill in a variety of arenas, including the AP English Language exam. But the process doesn't end at merely presenting the evidence. The evidence is only as good as the analysis that accompanies it. Hence, it is imperative that you spend time explaining how each piece of evidence buttresses your argument. This analytical is what distinguishes an essay from a loose collection of ideas. A compelling argument is akin to a tapestry, where each thread of evidence is woven into the fabric of the argument through the loom of analysis. Focus should always be on building a cohesive, well-structured, and cogent argument that is easy to follow and compelling to read. Transitioning between paragraphs is also an art that needs to be mastered. Smooth act as bridges that connect your ideas, ensuring that the reader can easily navigate from one idea to another, thus maintaining the momentum of your argument. Think of transitions as bridges that connect your ideas, making it easier for your reader to follow your line of reasoning. The conclusion is your last chance to make an impact. It's the final impression you'll leave on your readers, last word you'll say on the subject matter at hand. It's more than just a summary of your main arguments. It's the final resounding note in a symphony. It's the confirmation of your thesis, the full stop at the end of your argument. The conclusion is your last-ditch effort to a lasting impact, to make your readers consider your words long after they've finished reading. This is where you bring everything together, tying all loose ends. A strong conclusion doesn't just repeat what has been said, it synthesizes the information and pushes the reader to consider the implications of your argument. No essay is complete without a thorough revision and editing process. During this time, you perfect your paper's structure, bolster your points, and correct grammar mistakes. Your focus should be on the essay's readability and continuity. A careful review can detect clumsy wording or leaps in reasoning that might confuse your reader. A meticulous approach to revision enhances the overall quality of your work, leading to a better understanding for the reader and higher grades for you. Always remember, a well-organized essay is easy to follow and understand.